acto,
act, act,
poner,
lay, lay,
comer,
eat, eat,
extrañar,
miss, miss,
cortar,
cut, cut,
grande,
large, large,
distante,
distant, distant,
máquina,
machine, machine,
son,
are,
6,
6, 6,
consiguió,
got,
excelente,
great, great,
hombre,
man, man,
cabeza,
head, head,
volar,
fly, fly,
él,
he,
a mí,
me,
4,
4,
preguntar,
ask,
interés,
interest,
cómo,
how,
corto,
short,
seco,
dry,
medio,
half,
mapa,
map,
madera,
wood,
padre,
father,
jalar,
pull,
aviso,
notice,
venir,
come,
paso,
step,
página,
page,
principal,
main,
1,
one,
ojo,
eye,
decir,
say,
su,
her,
mente,
mind,
dejar,
let,
mejor,
best,
curso,
course,
un,
an,
capaz,
able,
segundo,
second,
trajo,
brought,
aunque,
though,
forma,
shape,
escuchar,
hear,
debería,
should,
arriba,
top,
área,
area, area,
menos,
less, less,
entonces,
than,
equiparar,
equate, equate,
pocos,
few, few,
tenía,
had,
grupo,
group, group,
pregunta,
question, question,
contra,
against, against,
ciudad,
city, city,
primero,
first, first,
con,
with,
llorar,
cry, cry,
ser,
be,
cuerpo,
body, body,
norte,
north, north,
aún,
still, still,
línea,
line, line,
entre,
among,
papel,
paper, paper,
trabajar,
work, work,
aquellos,
those,
mesa,
table, table,
el,
the,
escucho,
heard, Now you have added so many words to your English vocabulary. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. Do you like the way I teach English? If you do, please join my Patreon at patreon.com/blabbinit. I have so many useful resources there so that you can learn English quickly. If you join my Patreon, you will have access to digital downloads, shoutouts, and exclusive content. I also provide live chat sessions for members only. In these chat sessions, I will provide you with exercises and dialogues for you to practice directly with me. There will also be a place for you to ask me ¿Cómo se dice en inglés? You will also receive all of the texts to all of the videos that I upload on Blabbinit. I will also include the audio files for you. So check it out and become a member now. You guys are amazing. Watch more of my other videos and I'll see you next time. Ciao, my favorite Blabbinitos!